Okay, top of the bum, right there. My hip bone is here. The squishy part of my bum is here. I'm going to lay back, and the side that I'm on, I'm going to bring my foot over. This just opens up the joint, also allows me to control the pressure a little bit more. And you're just going to roll along the bum. Okay, don't go in any holes and you'll be fine. It is quite painful, especially if you go in a hole, but you just try to unglue your bum cheek here, basically. A lot of people's hips are really glued up, and I use glue deliberately because the tissues are literally stuck together. So the reason it's painful, if I've sent you this to do, the reason it's painful is because you have got a stiff hip and it needs some work. Obviously, getting a massage on it is great and it helps a lot, and there's a lot more you'll get out of probably a massage than doing this, but this is something you can do yourself and you can do a lot of work here. Usually I recommend doing this for at least 2 minutes if you really want to make a difference to your hip mobility. Go wherever you want around here. Once you've had a go at that, you can start sitting up, getting a bit more pressure onto it. This used to really hurt me, but now I can do that. There's a little bit of pain there, but nothing too bad because I know my hip mobility is pretty good right now. So have a go all around to the bum, go into the piriformis, which is in the center of your bum cheek. You can go in there as well. If there's anything shooting pain, don't avoid it. Okay, a lot of people are just going to go, I can't do it, it's too painful, I'm not going to do it. That's not going to get you anywhere. You've got to go through a little bit of pain to get this hip joint mobilized. No good just going to go and see chiropractor, osteopath every time this gets glued up. They're not going to be able to unglue this. You've got to do the work, and you've got to stop sitting down and heating, sitting down. As you sit down, you're literally squishing all the tissue together in your bum cheek, and then it's sort of laminating your bum. Layers of tissue and heat get pressed together. It's not good for your butt. So it's not good for your hip, and they can cause you lower back pain. So make sure we're getting on there.